HP Color LaserJet Managed MFP E877 plus 2K HCI 6GW57A unboxing and setup. This video will show you how to unbox and set up the HP Color LaserJet Managed Flow MFP E877Z printer and the 2000 sheet HCI paper tray. Note: the printer in this video might look different than the printer being installed. However, the steps in this video are correct for this printer. Refer to the instructions in your install guide before proceeding. Before the printer is powered on, make sure that the room and equipment are at least 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Leave the printer on the shipping pallet until it is ready to install on a DCF, HCI, or stand. Make sure the work area is free of debris and the floor is not slippery or wet. Unboxing the 2000 sheet HCI paper tray. Begin by cutting the tape and opening the box. Remove the smaller box containing the setup guide and accessories. Carefully rotate the box and position it flat on the ground. Slide the paper tray out of the box. Remove the protective styrofoam. Lift off the plastic bag. Remove the blue tape securing the protective sheet and then remove the sheet. Remove the plastic bag containing the 2 thumb screws. These will be used to secure the paper tray to the printer. Remove the remaining visible pieces of blue tape. Open the paper tray. Remove the blue tape from inside the paper tray. The tray can be adjusted to support A4 or letter-sized paper. The paper guides have metal tabs that correspond to A4 and letter-sized paper. To adjust the paper guides, remove the Phillips head screw and position the paper guide on the metal tabs. Then replace the screw. The second paper guide is adjusted in the same manner. Be sure that both paper guides are installed in the same way. Repeat the size adjustments on the left front and left rear paper guides in the shift tray. Close the paper tray. Now set the paper tray and accessories aside while you prepare the printer. Unboxing the HP Color LaserJet Managed Flow MFP E877Z printer. Note: after unpacking the printer and supplies, allow them to acclimate for 4 hours. If the printer and hardware were stored below 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, it may take them longer to acclimate. Do not remove the shipping tape or protective packing materials until after the printer is installed on a DCF, HCI, or stand. First, cut and remove the plastic wrap. Remove the protective foam from the corners and then lift off the wooden top pallet. Remove the protective plastic and then cut and remove the shipping bands that secure the printer to the bottom pallet. Remove the 4 cardboard sheets from the sides and then lift off the remaining wood from the top. Cut and remove the additional shipping bands and then carefully lift the cardboard box off the printer. Locate the duplex turnaround guide, box, and the power cord and set them aside. Pull the protective clear plastic down to the base of the printer to allow access to lifting points. Remove the blue tape and foam sheet from the top of the printer. Imaging drums are stored in the output bin area below the automatic document feeder. Remove the imaging drums and set them aside. Locate and remove the keyboard from the side of the printer. Using the handholds on the side of the printer, carefully lift the printer assembly and align the printer to the alignment pins and connector on the accessory. Carefully lower the printer onto the accessory. Caution: the printer assembly is heavy. 4 people must lift and install it on the DCF, HCI, or the stand. Remove the blue tape from the side of the printer. Then, remove the blue tape from the top of the printer. Remove the clear tape and open the ADF cover. Remove the tape and foam, then close the ADF cover. Be sure to remove the small foam piece from the ADF output tray. Remove the blue tape and protective sheet from the output tray. Then remove the remaining tape. Open the scanner lid. Remove the protective sheet, then close the scanner lid. Peel off the clear film from the control panel screen and logo. Open Input Tray 2. Remove the foam and sticker labels. Then remove the blue tape. Close Input Tray 2. Open Input Tray 3. Remove the foam and the blue tape. Holding the tray by its sides, pull out and remove the tray from the printer. Then remove Input Tray 2 from the printer. Locate the 2 thumb screws that were removed from the HCI paper tray. Insert the thumb screws into the holes and tighten to secure the DCF, HCI, or stand to the printer. Insert paper tray 2 back into the printer. Then insert paper tray 3 into the printer. Now we will prepare the toner cartridges, drums, and accessories for installation. Open the toner box and slide out the toner cartridge. Hold the toner cartridge vertically with the nameplate up and shake the cartridge vigorously 5 times. It is recommended to keep the cartridge in the bag while shaking to prevent toner dusting. Remove the cartridge from the plastic bag. The orange cross handle has arrows to indicate the correct direction to rotate the handle. Hold the cartridge at a 45-degree angle and then turn the orange cross handle 2 full rotations in the direction indicated by the arrows on the handle. Pull the orange cross handle as you turn it to release it from the cartridge. Prepare the remaining toner cartridges for installation in the same manner. Remove the cartridge from the box. Hold the cartridge vertically and shake it vigorously 5 times. Remove the cartridge from its packaging. Hold the cartridge at a 45-degree angle and then turn the orange cross handle 2 full rotations in the direction indicated by the arrows on the handle. Pull the orange cross handle as you turn it to release it from the cartridge. Open the toner access door. Use the color coding on the printer to install the toner cartridge in the correct slot. Push it in to fully seat the cartridge. Repeat these steps to install the remaining cartridges. After the toner cartridges have been installed, prepare the printer to install the imaging drums. Caution: do not open the imaging drum package until it is ready to install. Prolonged exposure to bright light can damage the imaging drum and cause image quality problems. Grasp the red arrow-shaped tab and pull straight out to remove the Image Transfer Belt (ITB) cleaner seal. Push in on the ITB cleaner shutter and verify that no pieces of the seal remain. Then, carefully pull the 4 developing unit seals straight out to remove them. Once the seals have been removed, verify that the imaging drum lock levers are rotated down. Remove the imaging drum from the bag and then remove the foam packaging. Hold the imaging drum by the gray marked handle with the orange drum cover facing down, and then push on each end of the orange cover to remove it. Caution: do not touch the shiny surface of the imaging drum. Touching the drum surface can damage the drum and cause image quality problems. Align the slot on the top of the color imaging drum with the guide at the top of the opening in the printer. and then slowly insert the imaging drum into the printer until it is fully seated. Note, there are 3 color imaging drums and 1 black K imaging drum. Make sure that the black K imaging drum is installed in the correct position in the printer. Color imaging drums can be installed in any color position in the printer. Rotate the imaging drum lock lever up. Then, rotate the toner supply shutter counterclockwise to open it. Insert the other color imaging drum. Rotate the imaging drum lock lever up. Then, rotate the toner supply shutter counterclockwise to open it. Insert the last color imaging drum. Rotate the imaging drum lock lever up. Then, rotate the toner supply shutter counterclockwise to open it. Finally, insert the black K imaging drum into its corresponding slot. Rotate the imaging drum lock lever up. Then, rotate the toner supply shutter counterclockwise to open it. Lower the toner collection duct unit into place and push in until both sides are fully seated. Close the toner access door. Locate the duplex turnaround guide you removed earlier. Install the duplex turnaround guide face up. Flex the guide. Install the front and rear pins on the second exit, and then slide the middle pin up to snap it into position. Locate the keyboard, outer cover, and screws you removed earlier. Remove the keyboard mounting and connector cover. Extend the keyboard bracket and locate the mounting tabs. Install the tabs on the top of the bracket into the slots on the printer, and then rotate the bracket down until the bottom snaps into place. Install the 4 mounting screws. Then connect the keyboard connector and push the cable in to secure it. Install the outer cover. Install the screw and screw cap to secure the cover. Open input tray 2. Push down on the blue tab in the back of the tray. At the same time, pinch or squeeze the blue tab in the front of the tray and slide to adjust to the proper paper length. Both tabs are spring-loaded and will lock once released. Squeeze the sides of the tab, and then slide to adjust the paper width. Load the paper into the tray. Note, A4 or letter paper should be loaded with the long edge of the paper on the right side of the tray. Close input tray 2. Then open input tray 3. Push down on the blue tab in the back of the tray. At the same time, pinch or squeeze the blue tab in the front of the tray and slide to adjust to the proper paper length. Squeeze the sides of the tab, and then slide to adjust the paper width. Load the paper into the tray. Note, A4 or letter paper should be loaded with the long edge of the paper on the right side of the tray. Close input tray 3. Connect the power cord to the printer and the wall outlet. Do not use an extension cord. Caution: each printer must be connected to a single dedicated circuit breaker, 15A or 20A. Press the power button to turn the printer on. Wait for the printer to automatically complete the initialization processes. Select your preferred language and then touch Next. Scroll down and select your location and then touch Next. Select the date and time format and then touch Next. Set the time by selecting the hour or minute and then touch OK. Adjust PM to AM by touching it. Touch Next. Select Yes to enable Auto Send and then touch Next. Select Yes to enable Print from USB drive and then touch Next. Select Yes to enable Consumables Access Control and then touch Next. Finally, review your selections and then touch Finish. Print a configuration page to make sure that the printer is working properly. To do this, swipe over from the home screen and select Reports. Select Configuration Status Pages. Select Configuration Page, then touch the print icon. The configuration page prints. Now, lower the stabilizers to prevent the printer and accessory from moving. Rotate each caster towards the inside of the printer and slide in the stabilization blocks. Your printer is now ready for use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.